Hello guys, I'm Hashan for Program Counter. In this video I'm going to show you how to download PostgreSQL on your Ubuntu machine. So first of all you just need to open terminal. I'm going to open that. Now just type sudo apt get update. It is important to run this command before installing the PostgreSQL on your machine. So you need to type your password here, and all the packages, all the library files in your Ubuntu machine will be updated. So it is important to do that before installing anything on your Ubuntu machine. So now it is updated. Then you need a simple command to install PostgreSQL on your machine. I have given this command in the description below, so just copy that and paste on your terminal. And paste it here, then press enter. Press Y here. The installation process will take some time. So the installation process is over. Now I'm going to close this terminal. Close terminal, and I'm going to open another one. Okay. Now in order to access your database, you just need to type sudo su postgres and password here. Okay, there is a special PSQL shell that comes with this Postgres. In order to access that, you just need to type PSQL. Okay, now all the commands, all the PSQL commands can be written in here in order to manage your database, in order to do some operations on your databases, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and see you later.